We are here today on the Automotive Campus for the Automotive Week, which is a 2-yearly event where we talk about mobility innovation, and the theme of this year is smart, safe and sustainable mobility. Yes, we have a quite excited program today. We start with an official opening with 2 ministers, one of the Netherlands and one of Germany.
An event like this is very important because it brings together all the parties so that we can discuss amongst ourselves all the things that have to be done. We have to work together because there's a whole range of things that have to happen. You have to have fundamental research, you have practical research that has to be done, but also you have to work with the people that actually create the systems that have to be put on the road. So it's a systems transition, and therefore you need all the parties involved, even the government, well, especially the government. We have to create the legal and regulatory environment for it to work.
Our ambition is a future mobility system which is smart, sustainable and safe. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what your briefing said. And the message sounded very familiar. Spot on. This, in a nutshell, is the Dutch government's vision on the future of transport and mobility.
Having an event here in Helmond, in the center of Brainport, is a fantastic place for all these really interesting and thought-provoking companies to come together, all with a focus on improving efficiency and safety in the world of automotive transport, of which DAF is, of course, a part of. TNO obviously has this really unique place in the Netherlands as a partner between the government and the industry. And so we're able to utilize that really effectively.
We're at the motion simulator of TNO, that's part of the facility tour, also today at the Automotive Week. And it's quite an important facility for us since we have concluded that there's a need for research in the human-machine interaction side, as a lot of applications in automated driving still require intervention from the human driver.
So today we are showing a demo which includes hybrid artificial intelligence, which actually simulates the brain of the vehicle. And we couple that fully with the full vehicle activation, so we drive in a full automated fashion.
We're standing here in front of our yard automation demonstrator. We developed it as part of the European project Magpie, which is led by the Port of Rotterdam. And this project is all about the energy transition of the port area. And we try to investigate how automated driving could support this energy transition. TNO is indeed one of the partners we are working with in this development. Their main goal is to optimize the interaction of an automated vehicle with the logistic coordination.
What we see here is our demonstration for the Automotive Week. We have used a V-Move from Verhagen uit Leiden together with the Jumbo trailer, and we are showing the potential from SEAS, which is our development, and it's cost-efficient yard automation solution.
We're standing at the Eurostrategy demo stand. It's a platform developed by TNO to support decision makers in shaping cities of the future. Well, digital twins are becoming more and more important in the future because if we want to ensure that our future cities are truly accessible and livable for everyone, we have to think about the design today.
We're standing here next to a combustion engine that can run on hydrogen. The big advantage of a hydrogen combustion engine is that it does not emit CO2, but it emits water. So how can we use this in maritime purposes? I think it's very useful for that. And this engine can be retrofitted to run on hydrogen, and that's a very big advantage.
I have a very positive impression. I think there's a very positive vibe. I think there's quite a lot of technology available, so you should think we are quite close to having a solution. But what we need to do is to get the solutions on the road. So we need more space for experiments, and we need the collaboration between companies, businesses and the government in order to get there.
Events like this always is our opportunity to talk to different people and to maybe start collaborating in new ways. So if some new collaborations are kind of hashed out in this setting, that would be great. And then hopefully the transition will increase in speed.